Good morning dear students, this is your science teacher and today I am going to teach you science again. From last few videos we will continue with our 11th chapter of science, that is light, shadow and reflection. In this chapter we already discussed on the different topic of this chapter. Light we already discussed and different types of material we discussed like opaque, transparent, translucent. These are we are already discussed. And luminous, non-luminous objects we already discussed. And today we study a very important topic of this chapter, that is pinhole camera. What is our today's topic? Pinhole camera. This camera is working on the same concept of our electronic cameras. Okay. So here, why we call this camera pinhole camera? Because we need we put a hole with a pin or a pin style hole. We call the hole with a pin, so we call this camera pinhole camera. Okay. So to make the pinhole camera, we need or we require some objects. For example, what objects we need? Two cardboard. In the case we don't have cardboard, so we are using two hollow tubes we use for making the pinhole camera, and a piece of black cloth piece, and a tracing paper we need, a tracing paper. If we don't have tracing paper in the case, so we use white paper. We put some oil drops on the white paper, so the oil patches are working as a tracing paper. So in the case when we don't have tracing paper, so we are using white paper with oil patches. Okay, and a pin to make a hole of a pin size. Okay, so we are so first we take two cardboard. Yes, we take two cardboard and make the boxes. One is large box, is another is small box, and we are cut both end of the boxes, and we take hollow boxes. In another word, you can say that we are using hollow box from the both sides. Okay, and remember that the small box has the size is small as compared to the large box, and it is easily moved into the large box. So we need that the small box has the size that is easily moved into the large box. Okay, then we take the black cloth and covered that part of one side, the one side of box covered with black cloth. Okay, we black cloth, yes, and we tied with a rubber. Okay, then we take pin and make a hole, a pin hole in the black cloth. Okay, and the second, the small card box from this side. If we want, we can cut the completely, and if we want, so we at this side we are using only a square hole we can do. If we want to cut completely, so we can cut, or if we want to make a square hole, so we are by the cutter we can cut and make a square hole. A large square hole, and fit a tracing paper on that side. Okay, so we are set or we paste here a tracing paper. Okay, then this is our large box, and we enter the small box into the large box, and in a proper sunlight we can see the objects by this camera. So when we see a a tree. Why this camera? When we see the tree, so what we see? We see the image of this tree on the tracing paper of a small box which fit on the small box. So we get the image of this box, this tree on the tracing paper, and this image is invert image, upside down image we get. Okay, this same concept is working our eyes also. Okay, because we know that the light is always moving in a straight path. So the light which reflects from the top of the tree, it's move and enter into the hole, and it's moving straight and the form image here in the downside. Okay, and the light reflected from here that enter into the hole and form the image here. So the image we get, that is inverted image. Okay, that is inverted or upside down image we get. And this is a image, not shadow, because we know that the shadow has black color. But the image we get, this is the same color as the same tree. Same color as the tree. So by this camera we are using to see the objects, but in the proper sunshine. Okay, and at the time of sun eclipse, by the use of this camera, we see the sun eclipse also. The gradually decrease the size of sun or increase the size of sun. We can see the darkness of the sun. We see by the camera. Okay. And remember that never look directly at the sun without any glasses or without any camera. Directly we never look at the sun, because it may cause very harmful. Okay, it may cause very harm to our eyes. Okay, so the sheet we use, the tracing paper or the paper sheet with oil patches we use, it is working as a translucent objects. Okay, we already discussed there are different types of objects: transparent, opaque, and the third category, lucent, means it passes the light partially. So the image we get on the translucent paper sheet or the tracing paper or the white paper with oil patches, it working as a translucent object. And from this side, open side, we can see the object image. Okay. And the next topic, mirror and reflections. Mirror and reflections. We know that always light moving in a straight path. So by an activity, we can try to understand that the light is moving in a straight path, and what is mirror and what is reflection. Okay, so in our house we are always using what? We are using mirrors in our houses. Okay, so what is mirror? Mirror is a glass piece that is coated from a side. From here, the mirror is coated from this side, and why the torch? When we put the light on the mirror, suppose the light is fall or incident on the mirror at the angle of 60. Here a normal we form a perpendicular. We measure the angle from here. Okay, so the light is fall onto the mirror at 60 degree. At 60 degree. So the light is reflected from the same angle in another direction. Come on the mirror, incident the light on the mirror at 60 degree, and it reflect in another direction at the same angle, 60 degree. Okay, so this is the reflection. The light come and fall onto the smooth surface or the mirror, and it reflect and it moves in another direction or the same angle is known as reflection. Okay, this ray is known as incident ray and this ray is known as reflected ray. And another situation, the light is fall from the torch or from the another source of light, the light is moving or fall onto the mirror at 90-degree angle. At 90-degree angle, the light is move or reflect at the same angle, in the same direction. Okay, come into this direction and reflect at the same angle from the in the same opposite direction.